Well, I knew I wanted to do something that was a mechanic's position, whether it be automotive or something like welding, or I wanted to be in that sort of field. I didn't want to sit in an office. And so the program at C&M was set up in such a way that it made the shop transfer pretty easy because it was set up like the shop is here. We had tools just like we have here, and the information is really relevant to where I was going to be working. So it helps to have that same environment when you get a real job. Everything we do is on the job training until we get familiar with it, and then it becomes second nature. When you're working on certain projects, you're going to be sometimes by yourself, other times you're going to be working with coworkers, so it made it enjoyable because you're working with all kinds of different people, different backgrounds, different experience levels, like working here. I've learned so much from the people I work with that that's what makes it enjoyable. I love working on aircraft as opposed to working on anything else. One, because it's a lot cleaner. Two, it's really cool to tell people that I'm working on airplanes. And it has helped me financially, and it has helped me in outside life. Now that I'm familiar with planes and stuff, I'm more apt to work on other things that I probably wouldn't have before. So it prepared me for not only a career, but it prepared me for lessons outside of school. If you find your niche or where you fit in, whether it be in a certain aspect of the aviation program or something other than that, if you find where you're happy and you enjoy what you do, then I would go for whatever that might be. Now that I've been working on them, I really like to fly in them, and I also like working on the engines because car engines, some recip airplanes have the same similarities, but turbine engines are so interesting and technology is amazing. I would say just check out the program, talk to the teachers, and if you start to feel excited about it, then I'd say go for it. This is my office.